Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change age preferences in Bumble. Now let's begin. Do note that I've already installed Bumble in my mobile device and logged into my account. In case you have not, do log into your account right now. Well, here's Bumble. Right now, I simply want to change my age preferences. Now let's begin. At the top right, here's a button like this. Simply click on it, and then something like this will open up. Well, there are options like who you want to date, and right below it, there's something like age. Now from here, you can drag this slider to change your age preferences. I'm simply gonna change it right here, and there you go. And just below it, there's a button like this that says see people 2 years either side. If you run out, you can toggle it on or off. It's completely up to you. And once you've done it, simply click on apply. Well guys, that's it. That's how you change age preferences in Bumble. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. The support fuels us. Thank you.